Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video i-demo ko on how to use the Trust Wallet Binance Smart Chain and also get a free COCO na airdrop, no? So itong Binance Smart Chain, nag-start siya is around April 2020. So para siyang blockchain like Ethereum, Tron, but it was created by Binance, no, for smart contracts and for the staking mechanism of BNB. Staking is another topic, but for short, so parang ilalak mo yung token mo and you will going to earn additional like interest sa token na yon. So any individual or organization can gather BNB and stake to become a validator of this new blockchain, no. So just to be sure, make sure lang ninyo before kayo bumili ng mga token, no. So kailangan be sure na legit yung bibilihan ninyong token. So dahil marami rin mga scam on this part, no. So be very careful about it. All right? Okay, so first thing ano yung gagawin natin is to enable yung smart chain dito. Yan, yung naka-highlight ko siya. Smart chain. So paano natin gagawin yan? I-click natin yung sa upper right side yung options dito. Yan sa taas, ito. This one. And search natin yung smart chain, which is BNB rin siya, same as BNB. Alright, so i-click natin yung itong part na yan, disable, while yung sa papunta sa right is enabled. Then babalik tayo niyan dun sa main page natin and makikita na natin si smart chain. Alright, so ngayon initially 0 kasi yung smart chain niyo, walang laman. So you need BNB, which is ito, to swap papuntang smart chain. So kapag wala kayong BNB, I will going to make a separate video sa aking channel. So kung paano niyo ilagyan ng laman yung Trust Wallet niyo ng BNB. Alright? So separate video na lang yun. For this example, kung kunwari magsaswap tayo ng smart chain, so i-click natin yung DEX dito sa baba, exchange, no? Decentralized exchange, I think yung name niya. Yun ang ibig sabihin niya. So you pay, anong babayarin mo, no? BNB. So yan, and I'm going to swap it to what, let's say smart chain. Alright, so you will going to pay what, BNB. You will get, no, kung ano yung makukuha mo, BNB pero smart chain siya. Alright, so pwedeng 25% siya, mo lang 25% ng BNB ko, 50% ng BNB, 75 or 100. Alright, so after that, when you click on swap, you will get a smart chain, no. So meron ka na nitong smart chain. Alright, so ganun lang siya kasimple for the Trust Wallet, no. So yung next na part, I'm going to teach you on how to get the COCO Airdrop. Makikita niyo dito sa baba, meron akong COCO token, no. Token lang siya, so make sure na wala pa siyang price ngayon, but I think eventually you can swap it to pancake, no, pancake na token, which is na may price na. Okay, so right, let's go. Okay, so for the COCO token, meron akong nilagay na link dun sa aking video description. Make sure to copy that link again dun sa video description. Alright, after you copy yung link dun sa video description, go to the apps, no, the apps dito, yan, and paste yung link dito sa URL sa taas, yan. Alright, then enter mo, yun, mapupunta kayo dun sa COCO na website, no? Then you can click on claim now na button. So before that, yan, mag-error yan, kailangan niyo ng Binance Smart Chain Network, no? So paano natin gagawin yan? Pupunta kayo dito sa taas kasi naka-Ethereum siya. So papalitan nyo yan ng Smart Chain. Alright, Smart Chain na siya. So ibig sabihin yung Trust Wallet ninyo, no, nakalink na siya automatically dito sa website ni COCO token. Alright, so ganun lang siya. So kapag clinic ko yung claim now, yan, actually may mga transaction fee yan. No? Once na pag-click niyo ng approve, no, ay check niyo yung transaction fee and yung network fee, no. Max na pwede mong bayaran is for now is anong date niyan? June 29, 2021. Ito yung babayarin ko, 92 pesos or around $2, no. No. So 64 pesos yung yung network fee niya. After that, when you confirm approve, no, automatic siya ay mapupunta sa inyong Trust Wallet at magkakaroon kayo ng COCO na token. Okay? So, ganun lang siya. Ito yung isang example on how to get airdrops dun sa certain na mga websites, no? Or just to make sure before kayo kumuha ng airdrop kasi may mga cost yan, kailangan ninyong bayaran, mga network fee, no? Make sure na i-review ninyo mismo yung token na yun dahil marami rin yung gumagawa na token pero eventually walang update. Alright? So if you have any other questions, feel free to leave a message dun sa aking video comment section, and kapag di pa kayo nakaka-subscribe, make sure to subscribe. Alright? So thank you for watching.